To begin with our class today, let's start with a prayer. Who can please lead the prayer? Okay, Prexy, please lead the prayer. Turn on your microphone. Amen. Thank you, Prexy. Can you just please turn off your microphone? Okay, good morning, class. Okay, for our topic for today, we are going to discuss waste management. Prexy, can you just please read our objectives? Okay, thank you, Prexy. Can you just please turn off your microphone? Okay, what is waste management? Waste management encompasses the collection, transportation, processing, recycling, and disposal of waste materials. It involves a systematic approach to handling waste to ensure environmental protection, public health and safety, and resources conservation. Waste management includes collection and transportation of waste, wherein waste collection involves gathering waste materials from various resources, including households, businesses, and industries. And once collected, waste is transported to treatment or disposal facilities. Processing and treatment of waste, which includes sorting and segregation, wherein waste is sorted into different categories such as recyclables, organic, hazardous, to facilitate proper treatment and disposal. While recyclable materials such as paper, glass, metals, and plastics are separated and processed to be reused in manufacturing new products. Composting, organic waste such as food scraps and yard trimmings can be composted to produce nutrient-rich soil amendment or the compost or decomposed garbage. And waste to energy. Some non-recyclable waste can be incinerated in waste to energy facilities to generate electricity or heat. Disposal of waste. Disposal of waste includes in landfills and waste facilities, wherein unrecyclable and residual waste is buried in engineered landfills designed to minimize environmental impact and prevent contamination of soil and water. Waste facilities, hazardous waste such as chemicals and medical waste, require specialized treatment and disposal facilities to ensure safe handling and prevent environmental and health risks. While monitoring and regulation, waste management activities are regulated by local, national, and international laws and regulations to ensure proper handling, treatment, and disposal of waste. Regulatory agencies monitor compliance and enforce penalties for illegal dumping and improper waste management practices. And also, one example of this is the Republic Act number 9003, an act providing for an ecological solid waste management program, creating the necessary institutional mechanisms and incentives declaring certain acts prohibited and providing penalties. Appropriate funds, therefore, and for other purposes. And that is why one example of these are some of the cities or municipalities implement the no plastic day or one specific day of a week, uh, no use of plastic. And some city ordinances such as no segregation, no collection policy. That, that also includes penalties. And education and awareness. Public education and outreach play a crucial role in promoting responsible waste management practices, encouraging recycling and reducing waste generation through awareness campaigns and community engagement. And for our activity, make a craft out of our recyclable materials. Thank you.